Action News, Delaware Valley's leading news program.
Toyota is hoping to lure back customers leery of recent recalls by continuing to offer incentives on new vehicles. Toyota is offering discount leases on 8 models, including the Corolla and RAV4. It's also offering 0% financing on some vehicles and free maintenance to all customers for 2 years. The incentives will be offered through May 3rd. Meanwhile, millions of existing Toyota customers stand to benefit from a host of lawsuits that are being brought against the company, all related to the recent recalls. Our consumer reporter, Atty has all the details in this special report.
The number of possible class actions being brought against Toyota is staggering and continues to climb. Many of the lawsuits are being filed on behalf of local consumers. And while you don't have to do anything to participate in the lawsuits, you can take some steps to maximize the amount of money you could get out of the cases.
It was a great car.
But Dr. Alan Ostroff says he'll never buy another Toyota after his experience with what he describes as a runaway Prius.
The harder I hit the brake, the faster the car went, and we were flying.
You may remember Action News talked to Ostroff shortly after the horrifying incident. Now, 2.5 months later, his Prius is still on Toyota's lot.
I said, hey, I was almost killed yesterday. How about, oh, nothing's wrong with your car. I said, you can't tell me that. There's something wrong with it. Nope, car's ready for pickup. I said, why am I picking it up?
Ostroff is now counting on help from a class action lawsuit filed against Toyota on behalf of Pennsylvania consumers.
Well, actually, what we will want them to do is take the cars back.
Toyota has been named in nearly 100 personal injury and wrongful death cases in federal courts nationwide. But what will likely prove much more problematic for Toyota is the number of class actions filed because of falling vehicle values. Right now, 138 potential class actions have been brought against the automaker. Philadelphia attorney Stephen Scheller has filed for consumers in Pennsylvania and New Jersey and as far away as Minnesota.
On one, you're not driving the vehicle, or you're trying to avoid driving it if you can. Number two, the value of your car is diminished by several hundred and possibly thousands of dollars.
This could be the biggest economic loss class action in the history of the United States.
If you're a Toyota owner, here's what you need to know. If you're eligible to be in the class, you will be notified and given the choice to participate or opt out.
And that choice usually comes after the case has settled or been decided.
But do take these steps now. Document repairs and maintenance. Keep paperwork if you sell or trade in your Toyota. Log any correspondence you have with the company. And if you have a problem or incident, talk to a lawyer to at least put your story on record. Now, a spokesperson for Toyota would only tell us the automaker generally does not comment on pending litigation. The class action lawsuits in their entirety are on 6abc.com. I'm Atty, Channel 6 Action News.